Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today we're talking all things my winter wish list. So I did this last season for fall. I did like a wish list, items that I have kind of assessed within my wardrobe, things that I want, things that I'm missing, things that I need, quote unquote, you know what I mean. But I kind of want to talk through some of mine in case you are starting to build your winter wardrobe. I keep a notes page within my notes section of my phone so that I can kind of get a tally as to what I have, what I want, and then I kind of peruse that way. So I kind of have a list ongoing of what things that I'm like in the market for, so that way if I'm out shopping I can browse that, or if I find something online I can always check that. So I think it's a fun way to kind of really hone in and get only the things that you really want and or need, and that way you're not like, do I have that, do I not? I mean, I hope you're not that way because you should know what you have, but you know what I mean. Maybe it's stuff that you're just pulling out your winter wardrobe, you want to refresh, redate, whatever. So let me go ahead and share with you what is on my winter wish list. I hope it helps you guys if you're creating your own. I will have everything linked in the description box down below, as well as if on the YouTube shop button if it's available. But let's get into it. I'm gonna reference my phone and then I'm gonna pop some pictures up on the screen. Some of these items I have already picked up and I'll tell you, and then some are on the way and some are, I'm just waiting to pull the trigger. So let's jump in my winter wish list. Okay, the first thing is I've had this little set. It's not a set, they don't sell it in a set anymore, but it's the Kiehl's Creme de Corpse. I don't know, that sounds like a very weird name though. Like, why do I want to cream myself to look like a corpse? I don't know if that's actually how it's spelled or said, but their Creme de Corpse, whatever, line from Kiehl's is my favorite body care line, like for luxury. I love my Necessaire, and I just tried their body, or not Necessaire, the Naturium. I just tried their Glow Body Butter. It's sold out now, but it is so good if you can get your hands on it. But the Kiehl's is very like warm, sugar cookie, vanilla-y, just my favorite scent. They do a body lotion, which is really nice. They do a body oil, and they do a body butter. And they have like 25% off on Kiehl's. I just wish they came out with a holiday set. I used to always buy that from Sephora. They no longer do, and even on the Kiehl's website they no longer have a body care set, which is such a bummer because it's totally just such a good luxury gift. I'm pretty sure it's clean beauty, but I just love the scent of it. It's very natural, and it just literally, when I put it on after like an everything shower, it just makes me feel so hydrated and just so like buttery soft and smell good, but not overpowering. It is hands down my favorite, but it's one of those special occasions. That's not like an everyday body lotion for me, just because it's kind of pricey. But I mean, if you can afford to use it every day, then go for it. But it is so good, and that body oil is so, it's like a dry body oil. It's luxurious. So that is on my list. I'm definitely gonna purchase that this year because I did not get one last year, and before that I had it for like 2 or 3 years in a row. So obsessed. Moving along, these are in no particular order. These are just like in order of my thoughts and my brains. The next thing I'd like to get is a chocolate sweat set. And you guys have never shopped at Aritzia, and I feel like everybody raves about Aritzia. But they're like TNA, I think. They make really good sweat sets. I want to actually go into store and kind of feel and touch and see, but they make a chocolate brown that I think is so pretty. And I feel like chocolate brown is a good mix and match sort of color. Chocolate brown's huge right now, but I like a sweat set that's like mix and match. I probably would have grabbed it from Abercrombie if Abercrombie had it, but they don't, because I love their sweats, which is why I want to feel in person the Aritzia ones. If you've tried them, let me know in the comments down below. Are they worth the price? Because they're an investment. But the cool thing with sweat sets is you can wear them together or you can wear them separately, and chocolate brown goes with light denim, dark denim. I just feel like it's easy to kind of like mix and match, and they're the perfect just throw on and go sort of thing. So I've really been enjoying sweat sets. I have a gray, I have like a bluish gray, and I really want to add chocolate brown to my collection. The next one is super awkward, super random, but I tried recently the Cashmere Mist, I think it's Cashmere Mist deodorant by Donna Karan, from Sephora, probably like 4 months ago now, 3-4 months ago. And I'm in love with it. I love scented deodorants. I'm now a bougie deodorant girl. I don't want to use Degree anymore, which is kind of an expensive habit, but I really want to try the Salt Air Santal Bloom because I have that body wash. So good. And then, or the Salt and Stone. So if you've tried either one of those, let me know. But those are the two I want to try as like scented deodorants. I feel like the Salt Air one is a little more affordable and the Salt and Stone is like still cheaper than Donna Karan Cashmere Mist, but I'm curious to check them out. They both have amazing reviews, so I'm curious to try those out as my new like scented deodorants. I just feel like it's a nice way to just kind of, I don't know, it's a treat. It smells good and I'm in love with it. So a fancy deodorant is on my winter wish list. I know, wild. The next thing is the trucker hat, that caviar cowboy thing. I see everyone talk about it and I think it's really cute, and I've really been into hats either on my walk or just like in general when I'm having a dirty hair day. Like I need to get my roots done so bad. I have an appointment next week, but yeah, I want like one of those cute trucker hats. I think this one's super cute. I love the green and the cream. I feel like it can be mixed and matched and paired so many different ways. I don't know how trucker hats will look on me. They're giving like the Van Dutch. Do you remember that brand? It's giving that sort of vibes. I never owned one of them, but my best friend in high school did. So I want to see what I think about that one, but I really like the idea of that. So that is on my list. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna pick that up. The next one, I don't know if I'm saying this right, but Armra. It's a colostrum supplement. Everyone is going bananas over, like helps with energy, hair, skin, like everything. But honestly, you guys, like the name colostrum, like if you gave birth, you know that that's just like not necessarily like a pleasant thing to think about, but that is on my list to try out, and I know they're running like crazy Black Friday sales, so I might pick that up and just kind of add that into my routine, my supplement routine, and see what I think about it. But yeah, if you guys have tried that, again, let me know, but that has been on my like I want to try supplement wish list. All right, this next, we're getting back into fashion. Sorry, I took a little turn there, but a red Sherpa. I've been wearing my like creamy nude one all the time, way more than I thought I would. I've never been a Sherpa girl. It's giving the same like feel as like the North Face fleece things that I used to wear back in like high school, but the one I want is red. I know red is like the color. So I'm debating between the Old Navy one or this Free People one. I did just purchase the Old Navy one. It's coming soon. I want to see the quality and the fit and the feel. And then I might go check this out at the mall soon and see. I like the color blocking on this. I like the navy with it. I just think it's really cute, and I feel like it looks, obviously it's way more expensive, but it looks nice. So I'm kind of curious to see which one I would like more, but I like this sort of color blocking. So I figured I would see what Old Navy has to offer, and if it's not giving, then we'll go and see what the Free People one has. The next thing on my list are some tall black leather boots with a heel on them. I've never been much of a boot girl, but I feel like that's something that my closet's really been missing. So I've been trying actively to find some boots that I really like, and I was scrolling TikTok the other day and I saw this girl with these tall boots on, and normally boots are like $200 something, and I'm just like, if I'm not gonna wear them and be that in love with them, I'm not spending that money on it. She had them on, so cute, and I saw that she linked them from Amazon and they were like $70, which is not bad at all, and these are really good quality. I already own them. I've worn them throughout the house with outfits, but not like out of the house yet. But so cute, and I can wear these with pants. I can wear them with skirts, jeans, whatever. I think they're so cute. So I'm really happy that I finally bit the bullet and decided to get some tall black boots. I have like the thigh-high ones that are like velvety or whatever, suede-y, but I wanted just a classic black leather, and I really like those. And they come in a bunch of other colors and some different prints as well. They're good quality for super affordable. They're from the Amazon Drop collection, but yeah, that was on my list. Okay, this next one is kind of an investment piece, and I've never purchased anything from Cezanne, I think is how it's called, but they have like the cutest basics, but they're pricey. They're expensive. So I'm kind of on the fence with this guy. Currently, they're like very limited selection. That's why I haven't pulled the trigger. I believe the green is the color that I would want, either the green or the gray. This little, I think it's called the Emily cardigan. So cute. so cute. I feel like these cardigans have been my favorite for years now, probably 3 years, this style. So I feel like investing in something a little bit nicer would be fun. And I just want to feel the quality and see what Cezanne is all about. So that is on my wish list. That might be like Christmas money wish list, but that is on my wish list. Next thing, you guys know I've been building my like coat wardrobe, and something I feel like I'm missing is like a long navy wool trench coat. I have gray and black and tan and all of that, but I don't have a navy one, and I wear navy a lot, and I like navy because it's a little bit softer. So I want a navy one. I saw this one on Nordstrom is the one I think I'm gonna get. I think it's polo. I don't actually know, but I saw this one when I was browsing this weekend on the couch, and I was like, that is a good one. So I think that is something that I'm willing to invest a little bit more in. I'm surprised Abercrombie doesn't have a navy one, but I feel like a lot of black and tan are like the colors, sometimes gray, but navy is kind of hard to find. So that is on my wish list for sure. Continuing with coats, I have a long, like puffy style trench coat, not trench, but a long line puffy coat from Uniqlo that I got before I was pregnant, or when I was pregnant, before I had Arlo, so almost 4 years now, that I got that in Japan, and I love that coat. It's so good because it's super warm, but it also keeps you looking good. Like it's stylish. It's not like, I don't know how to explain it. I really enjoy that, and it's like in this dark green, almost black kind of color, so it goes with a lot of things. But I wanted something a bit more cropped, not cropped, but I wanted something like a normal line jacket, not a full length jacket. And I wanted something that cinched in at my waist, and then I wanted something that like snugged a little bit more around the neckline and had removable hood. So again, from Aritzia, I've been thinking about getting the super puff, but I want to see it in person. But before I like decided to pull the trigger on that, you guys, I hopped over to Quince. If you guys haven't checked out my Quince haul, I'm gonna throw it up in the cards. So good. I have another one coming really soon because they just have really good stuff, like really good stuff, like very comparable to Everlane and Aritzia for like half the price. So I did pick up this guy. This is their, I don't know what it's actually called, but I got it in like the sea moss or something like that. I like that color because it's, I don't know, it's different. It's not dark because I already have dark coats. And I thought it was really cute, and it's got a removable hood, and it looks identical to the Aritzia one. It's like $129. So I did already pick that one up, and I love it. I still want to feel the Aritzia one just to see, but I think I'm gonna keep the Quince one because it's so good. Okay, speaking of puffy, let's continue with this puff theme, which is a puffy bag, okay? There are two that I'm kind of in between. There's one from Free People, which comes in like 20 colors, and there's also one from Target. I want to check out this Target one and just see what it feels like. They have only black and green, I think, in the Target one, but they have got like neutrals and stuff from Free People. This is cute because it's what I want it for is like Pilates. So what I want it for is when I go to Pilates, I want to be able to have socks in there, my Pilates socks, so I don't forget them. Just keep my phone and things like that inside my wallet. Like normally it's just kind of thrown about. I want to be able to throw everything into that bag and just pop it in the cubby. So I figured it would be a convenient way to keep it in my car. So like I always have socks in it and whatnot. So at the beginning of the week, I just throw all my socks in there, so I don't have to worry about it and I don't have to buy socks. But I just think it's cute, and I think it's like a fun like athleisure sort of bag. So I want to kind of see the difference. I know that the Free People one zips. I don't know if the Target one zips. So those are on my list as well, like a little puffy bag. I know it's very in right now, but I kind of want like a mix between a tote and like a shoulder bag. So yeah. The next thing on my list are some chunky tall socks. I have like ankle socks, not ankle socks. They're like mid shin socks. I want like a little bit taller so I can scrunch them down and wear them with my Uggs, wear them with my New Balance. I just want a chunkier white sock. I think I'm just gonna pick up these ones from Amazon. These are the ones that I have in like the short ankle ones. So I think I'm gonna stick with the same brand. I really like it. And get the tall ankle socks. And then the last thing that's on my wish list, you guys, is not actually an item, but it is to do with my hair. So I think I'm going to be going darker. Not like crazy dark. I'm gonna throw up some inspiration pictures. But I'm craving growing my hair back out again, and I'm craving going more to my natural color. Like you can see my ends are super blonde. I mean, they're not even super blonde, but I'm craving more of going into this, more of a faded root, more of a darker smudge kind of root with still blonde highlights, but not as like dramatic. So that way, I don't know, I just don't want to be going to the salon every single like 3 months to get my hair done. I want something that looks a little bit more natural, and I feel like going with these like money pieces in the front, you can tell when you don't get your hair done as much. So I wanted something a little more subtle, a little more grown out natural look, and kind of ease my way back into more of my natural hair versus highlights, because I feel like this is all just bleach highlights, which my hair takes well to bleach. It doesn't have anything to do with like the health. It just kind of has to do with what I want to more embrace my natural colored hair. So I'll keep you posted on my trip to the salon and what I decide to do. Like I said, I have an appointment next week, but these are my inspo pictures that I'm going for. So that is my winter wish list, the things that I'm adding to my wardrobe, things that I'm lusting after, and then things that I'm gonna be doing. So I hope you guys enjoyed, found this video fun, helpful, whatever. If you wanna continue seeing these seasonal, let me know in the comments down below. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video real soon.